Welcome to Avid Hotels Mt. Juliet, Nashville Area by IHG. Your smart choice for comfort and convenience near the Grand Ole Opry. Enjoy a range of amenities designed to make your stay easy and enjoyable. Free Wi-Fi, complimentary parking, and a 24-hour front desk are just the start. Start your day with a healthy included breakfast. Stay active in our fitness center or take a refreshing swim in the indoor pool. Traveling with pets? We're pet-friendly too. Rooms offer modern comforts like air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, mini fridges, and coffee makers. Relax on cozy beds and refresh in private bathrooms with complimentary toiletries. Accessible rooms are available for your convenience. Explore nearby attractions, including the iconic Grand Ole Opry, Nashville Shores Water Park, and Percy Priest Lake. Enjoy local music, dining, and outdoor fun just minutes from your room. Book your stay at Avid Hotels Mt. Juliet today. Visit our website by clicking the link in the video description below